Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you're new here, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. Most of you guys know that we have an online store which is www.naughtythreads.com. So today I'm going to show you guys the top 10 sari kuchu making material, and we'll also discuss about our website. So first of all, to make sari kuchu, the very important product or item we need is silk thread. Now this is available in wide range of colors. In our website we sell Raj brand, which has a very good shine, and even in my videos and for my sari kuchu I use this brand. And along with that, the next very important thing is trimmer. This is very important to give that straight cut to the kuchu. It's always better to use a trimmer over a scissor. And then comes the crochet hook. We also have crochet hook of different sizes. This is important only when you're doing crochet designs, and you can also use this crochet hook to make crochet accessories. For that you can either use kamal kadai thread or cotton thread depending on the size of the needle. Like already mentioned, these needles are available in different sizes starting from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then comes these kind of dull finished gold beads. Generally we use these beads in both normal kuchu and crochet kuchu. Please make note that these are not that bright gold finished beads. These are dull and matte finish, and also available in different shapes and sizes. So this is a leaf bead. Usually these are also used to hang on the dupattas. This is a heart shaped bead and generally used in both crochet and regular sari tassels. So we have about 40 plus designs in kuchu beads. Do take a look at www.naughtythreads.com. This is one of the most used beads in crochet. I use this beads very often because of the way it looks, and it's also very apt for big arches. These also can be used in both crochet and regular tassels. I will link a few videos in the I button where I have used these kind of beads, so do check the I button. This is another leaf design. These are small and they have loop. These also can be used in hanging it to dupattas, even the sleeve, and they are often used in crochet designs as well. So these are also very small round beads which have lines. Size is about 4 mm, I guess. Sometimes it comes in 3 mm size and sometimes it comes in 4 mm size. So you can use any size of your choice. So these are the proper gold finished beads. You can see the difference between the two. Sometimes people get confused, so that is the reason I'm stressing on this point. So these have that proper gold finish, and these beads also can be used in both the types of kuchu. These are silver beads, so we have all this material on our website. Not only these, when you visit the website you will get to see even more designs in each category. I have just added a few products so that you guys get an idea. So here this is the zari roll. Ideally for kuchu you can use this one, or the one that comes in a plastic roll like this. Even zari is available in different colors starting from gold, silver, copper. We have colors as well like green, black, red and blue. So all this is very important in case you're planning to start off kuchu business, then you must have all this material. And then comes this stone chain or stone lace, what we call. These are available, this product is available in meters. It's generally used in most of the bridal designs. And then comes donuts. You guys know how pretty the donut designs look. So again, these donuts are available in different sizes. I'm just showing you guys the sample. So do check out the site for more options. I shall link the video in the I button, so don't forget to check. And the last product of today is this Lakshmi Kasu. I will also try to link a video so that you guys get an idea how and where to use this product. So visit our website and start placing your orders now. I shall catch you guys soon. Bye bye.